another telekinesis video. Today we're gonna talk about how to do electrokinesis on a AA battery. A couple of videos ago, I showed you my practice, how I practice electrokinesis on a AA battery. And as you could see, all I did was dropping the battery. So you guys commented a lot that it is not electrokinesis, it's telekinesis. And I understand why you say that. But in fact, it was electrokinesis. Things are not always as they seem from the outside. Sometimes even though the results are the same, the methods are different. Of course, I could have used telekinesis on this battery, but I didn't. I connected the electricity out of my brain to the electricity in this battery. And my proof for that is that after I did electrokinesis to this battery was dead. I could not use this battery anymore. It was dead. No electricity anymore, no power. So it was electrokinesis, not telekinesis. If I did telekinesis to this battery, it still would have been fine because the electricity wouldn't have been affected. So, in fact, it was electrokinesis. And that is a great way to practice electrokinesis in a safe way. Using electrokinesis on light bulbs or lights or TVs or your phones or whatever is very dangerous. You will break your electronics. Electrokinesis though, on the battery, you can break this battery. It's not very expensive. So I recommend practicing electrokinesis to a battery. And how do we do electrokinesis? We do the breathing, 100% in, 50% out. And we try to focus, we try to connect to the electricity in our brain. Maybe you know, you might not know, our brain works through electric impulses. So that's lots of electricity going through our brain. And if we can use this electricity, link it, combine it with the electricity of another object, we can manipulate it with our minds. So, do yourself a favor, practice with the battery, because it's not just the electricity which is going out, in and out. You can manipulate. You can move this electricity, just like I did in the video, and made the battery drop. Not with telekinesis, with electrokinesis. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And have a good day.